Hey everyone, it's Brandon here with the Dumbbell. Today we have a great 10-minute train like a superhero total body workout. So with today's workout, all we need is an exercise mat and some free weights. Every exercise is just going to be 10 reps, but here's what's going to happen. In that 10 minutes, you're going to try to get as many rounds as you can get in, and we're going to add 5 reps for every round. So we're going to start with squats to a press. So we're going to grab our free weights right here. Squat down, and I want you guys to press up. So squat, press up, just like that. And this is a great exercise because it helps engage in a lot of different areas. You're gonna work out your legs, your arms, your shoulders. I love exercises that don't just work one particular muscle group. So 10 reps on the squats to a press. Now the next one we're gonna do, we're gonna get our heart rate up a little bit. So we're gonna squat down, we wanna jump up. So we're gonna do jump squats. I want you guys to touch the ground and then jump right back up, just like that. Make sure to get down low, get that butt down so your knees don't go past your toes, and just 10 reps on that exercise. Now, we're gonna do punches. All we're gonna do is just punch across the body, and 10 of these are gonna go by really quick, but just 10 punches across the body, just like that. Just keep your shoulders up, don't punch down here, keep them up high. Now we're gonna get down on the ground, and we're gonna do a reverse crunch, but we're gonna thrust up. So we're gonna bring our legs in, and we're gonna kick up off the ground. So we wanna have our hands underneath our butt, and that's just gonna help support your lower back. And you just wanna kick up so you feel that in your lower to mid abs. It really helps work out that area right there. If it gets too hard to kick up, or you can't because maybe you have a lower back issue, then just bring your legs in and out just like that, and just do regular reverse crunches instead. And then again, with all these exercises too, make sure to keep breathing and have good form and have good posture. So remember, 10 minutes, get as many rounds as you can get in, and add 5 reps every round. You should get 2 sets in for sure, probably 3, maybe 4, depending on how fast you go. Just make sure to have good form, good posture with each exercise so you do it correctly and you don't hurt yourself. So if you guys like this video, make sure to comment below. We'd love to hear from you and get your guys' feedback. And if you guys want a written description and a physical hard copy of this workout, we can send it to you. So if you just click on the description, or click on the link in the description, the link will be right there. Just click on it, we'll send it to you, and you'll have it for your own personal use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.